Hey, I'm Jeff Calder with Heating Greens. This infrared radiant heating panel is the world's thinnest at a 1/2 inch thick and will fit on the ceiling. It's not going to take up any usable space, no noise, and also save about 30 to 40% on their energy costs. Here we are in the living room, and before it was an uncomfortable space that had wall heaters that took up usable space hidden behind furniture, which is dangerous, made noise, and were expensive to run. Now we're going to solve that problem with our infrared radiant heating panels. They don't take up usable space, there's no noise, and they're going to save at least 30 to 40% on their energy cost.